It's time for my quarterly sales pitch to you. And this quarter, I am genuinely excited to share my new course, Generative AI Use Cases for Marketers. This course teaches you the 7 major use cases for generative AI that apply to marketers: extraction, summarization, rewriting, classification, synthesis, question answering, and generation. What's different about this course than any other course that I've seen on the topic and any other course that I've ever built is how hands-on you can be with this course in ways that I've never built before. So here's an example. Not only do you get the standard lecture materials, you get the prompts, you get the data sets to work with, you get materials from the lessons. There's some things in here like the ultimate guide to effective Google ads that you'll build. Like, you will actually build this, but also you will get a chance to adapt it for your own uses. Inside the course, you will see 3 use cases per category, and you're going to try them all. And from those use cases, you'll be able to take the course materials and adapt them to your company's or your team's needs. For example, in the synthesis module, you'll learn how to use the various deep research tools to create master research documents that will instantly improve almost every marketing use case you can think of. I use this process nearly every day, and I don't know how I did marketing AI without it. It's so critical to be able to put together and assemble really good merged deep research where you're taking ideas from different places and gluing them all together. You'll see when you take the course. The course is appropriate for all skill levels, but especially beginner and intermediate AI users. Advanced users, and by that I mean people who are custom building their own apps and code. You've got N8N workflows or Python code that you're building. You will benefit less from this course. If that's you, if you're building custom code, you're going to benefit less, though you might pick up a thing or two in the course. I do also strongly recommend that you've already taken the Mastering Prompt Engineering for Marketers course. While not strictly a prerequisite, it will certainly help because I use the prompting frameworks from that course in this new course. The new course, Generative AI Use Cases for Marketers, is available now at trustinsights.ai/use cases course. See you there.